Are you ready to excel in the construction industry? Welcome to Guardians Training, where we empower individuals with extensive knowledge of the construction industry scheme. Our expert trainers offer a comprehensive CIS training course, covering the specific responsibilities that contractors and subcontractors have under the scheme. Get ready to dive into key modules, from an overview of the CIS and registration procedures to compliance and future trends in the construction sector. Learn to calculate tax deductions, maintain accurate records, and navigate audits. Understand subcontractor rights and benefits within the CIS framework. With CIS expertise, you can become a construction contractor, project manager, industry consultant, HR specialist, site supervisor, or administrator. So don't wait. Enroll now at Guardians Training and unleash a world of thrilling opportunities in the construction industry.